wondering, Carly, why are we in different locations? And that's because there's a new segment to my channel called Cooking with Carly. Yay! So today we're going to be cooking some stuffed peppers along with some, what are they called? Sweet potato fries. But that's going to be for another video, the sweet potato fries, because that's going to be in depth, yeah? So everyone, the first step you need to do is to wash your hands, because you don't want to contaminate any of the food, especially right now, seeing as there's coronavirus. So, I have all my peppers here for the stuffed peppers recipe. This is kind of dish you want to use so they don't fall over. Right, so let's start. First thing you want to do is to grab your pepper, cut off the top section of your pepper, right? Then you want to scoop out the middle with a spoon. There we go. Just like make sure you get everything out. No more seeds. Give it a few tappies. And it should look like this, empty. Right, and you need to do that with all of your peppers. Once it's all done, then you can start to make your filling. Hello, Mum. Hello. So, once your stuffed peppers are all got the seeds out of them, you need to put them in the oven for 20 minutes on gas mark 7. No, 15 minutes and then check. And I'll see you when they're done. So everyone, once the peppers are now in the oven, you're going to create the stuffing. So what you'll need is some tomatoes, an onion, a vegetable stock cube, and some rice. Any rice will do. We've got some brown and white basmati. So, what you'll need to do is you need to cut up the tomatoes and the onions and any other veg you'd like to add, yeah? So, cut in half, bang, done. Then, you just cut it up into small little pieces. Now careful everyone, because you don't want to chop off your fingers. And then you just cut them into little sections, you know. You don't want them too big. Am I making a funny face?
No, you carry on, love.
Also, I might look like right idiot right now, but I have to have my hair tied up because it's safer for the kitchen, so no hair gets in the food. So I've cut the tomatoes up, and now I'm going to cut the onion up for the, it depends what onion you like, red or white. Is that right, Dad? Right. Or you can use a whole onion and half an onion, but I think we're just going to use half an onion for this, just because it's very big. So while the peppers are cooking in the oven, we're going to fry off the vegetables, no, the onions and the tomatoes. But you put a little bit of oil in the pan. Can't see. I think that should be enough. And then you want to turn it on. That's the wrong one. Okay. So now the oil is warmed up, I'm going to pour all of this in there. Yummy. Okay, and I'm going to stir it about until it's soft. And then I'll add the rice. So, the tomatoes and the onions are soft now. I've also added a bit of garlic and a bit of paprika for flavour. Now I'm going to add the rice. So because the rice has absorbed the tomatoes and the onions, we need to add a bit of vegetable stock to the rice. add it as and when, and give it a nice little stir. Add some more in, just to make sure that it's moisture, you know, it's not getting dry and it's flavourful, because the worst thing is dry food. So now all my stuffed peppers are, all my peppers are roasted, and they look a bit brown on the top. That's what you want, so look a bit brown on the top. Once you've done that, you need to take your peppers and you need to tip the water out of them into the sink, because you don't want soggy peppers. So what you want to do is, you've got your mixture now all done. If I show you, that's what it looks like, all nice and juicy. You want to put the mixture into a pepper. So I'm going to shove it right in there, right down in there. You've got to pack it in. Some of it's going to go over the sides, but that's all right. As you can see, all my stuffed peppers are filled with the rice mixture. Now, there is a little bit left of the mixture. What you can do is, you can either, you can serve it on the side if you want, but we're not going to do that. We're going to serve it with the potatoes and the asparagus. But you can also put it in a container, you know, save it for another day, because you don't want to waste food, you know. We want to make sure that it's all used. So now what we need is some mozzarella. So I've got this one, grated mozzarella from the Co-op, and all you want to do is you want to sprinkle a little bit over the top. Doesn't matter if it's messy, because, you know, doesn't matter. But you just want to get them all covered in the cheese. And there we go. Just add a little bit more to that one, because that one's got less. That's got the least. So we want to add a bit more to that one from that one. Okay. And they're going to go back in the oven till it's brown, and then they'll be done. So I've cooked my stuffed peppers, and I've put the cheese on, and they've all been browned now on the plates. They're all done, paired with the sweet potatoes that I've also filmed for another video, and they're going to be coming with asparagus too. And thank you very much for watching my video today. I hope you like my video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with all your friends. And yeah, just enjoy life. Thanks, bye.